Curly stuff. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I am in conversation today with Miss Ankita Sekhri, and I normally address her as Miss Sekhri, Urf Nagpal. So I'll tell you the story behind Nagpal also. It's so good to connect with you after a long time,
Oh
Ankita.
my
How are
God,
you?
it's so good to see you. It's been a long time, like we just said, but I'm good. How are you? I have to say I am a fan. I have been watching your videos and पहले मुझे लगा कि career change हो गया है. For Mr. Ganges, I was like, not only is he like now a YouTube influencer, but I did not know your singing skills, by the way. I don't know if you know this, but I have never heard you sing, which is so funny.
Singing, I still don't count it as one of my skills. Just a one time pass that I was doing.
Acha.
And correct. Okay, so for the lot of my mutual connects, I mean, a lot of our mutual connects, they know each other, you and me. But for the rest of the people, I need to give you introduction. So Ankita and I worked together during Hilton Saket when I was heading F&B there, and she was the head of marketing communication. She joined us as marketing communication, and later because of her skills and hard work, she got promoted as cluster marketing manager
So
for all the Delhi
sweet.
NCR properties. And she was part of pre-opening project of Hilton Garden in Lucknow, right?
Yes, I was, which is a beautiful property.
Is there anything that I missed out?
No, absolutely not. That is my whole career of Hilton. So
Right.
we started in Saket.
But before Saket, you were with Hard Rock Hotel Goa.
Yes, I was
Tell us
with
about that.
Hard Rock. I was with Hard Rock Hotel Goa. So I was actually I was hired by Spectra Hospitality Services, and they're a hospitality consulting and management consulting company. And they had the contract to manage. Well, they had an exclusive contract for Hard Rock Hotel, but the property actually started off as a standalone, not 16. And then 2 years later, we converted it to Hard Rock Hotel. So I was doing marketing for them, but I was a consultant, so I was going back and forth between Goa and Delhi.
Okay, right. And
So,
there you work with one of my, I always look up to him as
oh,
mentor, Vikas Sharma.
Mr. Vikas Sharma, I did not work with him for as long as I wanted to, because when he joined, I think I left maybe a couple of months after that. But he's a gem of a person. But yes, we actually spoke about that when I came to Hilton. So yeah,
Me, and one of our front office
and
manager, Anto Thomas, we all
yeah.
had one mutual connect, and that was Mr. Vikas Sharma.
Oh no way, but I have to say that even after when I started working for both the Gurgaon properties, I met a few people who had worked with him too and knew him well. So it was quite
Must be
nice.
many. There must be many.
Uh,
He had an extensive career in Delhi NCR, so there are multiple people, multiple hoteliers. They have worked under his leadership.
I'm sure he's a
So
very
now
also
tell
a
me,
great singer.
yes, he is a great singer. So now you are in Thailand
Yes,
and working with Goko Hospitality.
yes.
Tell us more about your current job role.
Goko Hospitality is basically a health and wellness hospitality consulting. So, we are only into the wellness hospitality business, not purely just hotels, but more spas, wellness resorts, wellness communities. But we manage a couple of spas and we own and manage one of the biggest hot springs in the US, but we're headquartered here.
Okay.
So basically, we don't have many clients in the country, but we have clients like all over the world. And we're a design-led company. So basically, that's a chunk of our work is just interior design, master planning, but only for wellness hospitality. So it's a very big change for
Okay.
me because I never, even in Hilton and everything, our spas are outsourced. So I never actually did marketing for any sort of wellness hospitality or a spa or like even मतलब बहुत ही कम मैंने हिल्टन में भी क्योंकि हमारे आउटसोर्स थे तो we just used to kind of coordinate with the people that own them. So it was a big change for me and but it's wonderful. and I really, really like it. I love this field of work, so it's
So how
quite.
this transition happened? But I mean, you were doing so well in India and Delhi NCR. You were, here with family. So what makes you to move
Yes.
from India to Thailand and taking up this particular role?
I I don't think there's a straight answer to that. I think I learned everything that I could from Hilton. And honestly, I had a great career and it was really, really nice for me personally. I think Thailand नहीं था. I don't think कि मेरे मन में कभी था कि I've always wanted to like go abroad and work, but it wasn't something that it just kind of happened. But I had been following this company for a while, almost a year, and one of my closest friends actually works for this company, and it's associated with Horwath HTL, and they're
All
a
right.
consulting firm, and they are a global consulting firm, and they have an office in Bombay also, in fact. So one of my closest friend, like he works for this company, and he had told me about a job like a while back, but that time I was doing really well at Hilton, and it never struck me. And honestly, once I quit, and I was on holiday, the day I left Hilton, that night I had a flight to Goa, and my two best
Okay.
friends were waiting there. And then I went, and he just said, like, listen, hey, I know we spoke about this about 6 months ago, but I have something for you now. So do you want to do it? And it took me a while. It was like 6 months of back and forth with them.
All right.
Um, and I had
So
lived
it
in,
was
I
it was not immediate. It was not like you moved from Hilton and you joined Coco. Okay.
No, I didn't.
All
I
right.
wanted to leave Hilton because I just wanted a break. It was a tiring, like 2.5
So
years for sure. It was a
managing
definite,
multiple properties is a
and I
big
was the
task, of
only
course.
one. There was no one with me. So like I got everything that I could from the company and also just my career in Hilton. And I think they did the same with me. I think that they utilized me to like the best of their ability and how much ever they could. But there was just a point where it was not working out for the both of us, and I think we knew it, like amongst the different, and you know that there were a lot of managerial changes from when we both started off and from
Right.
where now Hilton is. So I mean, it was a great experience. And I actually quit. I didn't have anything. And I remember at that time, "Shaadi kar rahi hai," and I'm like, nahi, shaadi nahi kar rahi. I just don't want to do this anymore. And I quit, and I freelanced, and I did my own consulting for about 6 months while this was happening. And most importantly, I just took a break, Ganges.
For a
I
while, I
just
think
took a break.
you were assisting your sister also for her venture,
Yes.
right?
And that's the thing. I
Yeah.
come from a family of all business people. So for them to see me not doing anything, they're like, "कुछ नहीं कर रही, क्यों नहीं कर रही कुछ? Come, we'll give you work to do." So I was assisting her. I was fortunate enough to have a couple of clients. I work closely with. Do you know WhatsApp Gurgaon? And now there's WhatsApp Noida, WhatsApp Delhi. So I work very closely with Gaurav, who owns it, and I was fortunate enough to meet him, and I did a few things for him, and I traveled a lot, which was great because I
No,
really wanted
you know
to.
the answer I was expecting, the reason for your transition, because you normally used to share a lot of your memories shopping in Thailand, right? So I
Yeah.
thought कि shopping में इतना शौक है कि तुमने थाईलैंड ही शुरू हो गई वहां से वहीं
No,
कमाओ
but
वहीं खर्चो.
no, actually, you are actually completely right. Um, Work, this I'm giving you a very professional answer, but if there was any country in the world I could see myself as here because I've been here a million times. I worked here during college. So my first internship जब hotel management कर रही थी मैं तो हमारे course में you have to do two internships. तो second semester का जो internship था मेरा St. Regis Bangkok में ही था. So that was my first step into hospitality industry was actually started from here. So for me now I'm so comfortable because I know the city really well, and और अब तो मैं seriously कहती हूँ कि COVID के time तो अच्छा ही है कि I'm
So
in a position.
right. So since you mentioned COVID, my immediate question to you is, since I have started this particular initiative during the lockdown time, COVID
Yeah.
time, so how much uh, the area that you are there is affected because of COVID-19?
So everything is now open.
Okay.
as of 1st of July. So that basically means that now bars, clubs, they're all opening up in phases. Everyone is pretty much at 50% capacity. But we have been lucky. The reason the government has done this is because on the we've had now 31 days without any cases, which is why now we're at phase 5. So when it did happen, when the outbreak took place about like, I guess, March 23rd, which was my birthday, which was actually the
Oh,
day everything closed. um,
you are in
that
which city?
I'm in Bangkok.
You're
So
in Bangkok.
I'm like main in the city of Bangkok, and I work in downtown, which is like the most heavily touristy kind of area. So they announced work from home and the fact that curfew tha काफी देर तक. Curfew was there till about last week, um, which was basically I think 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. Everything was shut and you had to. So that was difficult. But I have to say that I am very fortunate because I know my parents, my family, everyone is at home, and it's very, very, very difficult for them. And for me, touchwood, there was never a day, Ganga, where I could not just go out, go to the market. There was never one day. Yes, we were working from home for about 2 months, uh, but ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि like how you see on TV or even in India this happened or in the US it's happening कि like supermarket में supply नहीं है और सब ऐसे लाइनें थी हाँ बिल्कुल थी but fortunately ऐसा कभी time नहीं आया कि I couldn't because we could always also order food because all these food pandas of the world are working
Okay.
so and now we're at 3,000 cases
Again.
so no like just in total since the
Okay.
beginning
Okay.
of COVID. So today we're
But
at 3,000.
Phuket is badly affected. I was just talking to one of my senior. He's there in Phuket.
Yeah.
He was telling me that Phuket is worse affected because of COVID-19. Is it so?
I don't believe so, but maybe he is right. I think maybe out of all the provinces, it was Phuket. I don't know if he means like COVID wise. Maybe, maybe it's possible
Correct.
because Chiang Mai, Phuket, Bangkok, and Pattaya were like the worst affected. Um,
Okay.
and I also have heard that the islands are doing worse. But the thing is that economy wise, of course, it's very difficult because Thailand's main GDP is from tourism. So now we have
Tourism.
no tourists. But on the bright side, it's nice, right? Because they've closed off the international borders. So I think it's a good measure because I mean COVID is not gone anywhere, and the minute you
True.
open the borders, people come in. So they are afraid of a second wave. So the travel is restricted, but I think it's been quite
Still a
nice.
long, long way to go. I mean, it's a long process to kind of
It
win
is.
the fight over COVID-19, right?
Yeah, that's
अच्छा,
definitely true.
कुछ लोगों के बारे में अगर हम बात ना करें तो it will be, not
बिल्कुल
justified.
बताइए.
We'll have to take few names here. Uh, कुछ हमारे साथ के लोग, कुछ हमारे seniors. So I'll start with Mr. Simajit Singh.
Yes.
ठीक है? So anything and everything that you recall,
Yeah.
your work experience with Mr. Simajit Singh.
Yeah.
A lot of time after the morning meeting, we used to talk and make fun at how he behaves during the morning meeting अपनी follow-ups के साथ में. He used to be very religious with his
Yeah.
follow-ups. That's one. But other than that, how do you see him as a person, as a general manager?
It's funny you brought him up because I have been thinking about him a lot. Because I think a lot of my work ethic now I actually get from him. Like the way he like emails, like those email like that is I'm like, oh my God, I'm so happy that I learned so much about just like things like that, like following up, like there's a reason that you have to be structured in a way. And my favorite thing that I've learned from him, he's like, तुमने मेरी मेल देखी ना तो बस रिप्लाई करके बोलो कि देख ली, like at least acknowledge my email. And now in my life
Correct.
I have so many triggers when I'm like, you saw my email, right? Just reply to me and be like, yes, okay, I've seen it. Say something so that I know that I don't have to follow up with you. And at so many points in my life I think of him because I have learned just too
I
much
think
from him.
this particular skills of his, I mean, this email etiquette, there are a
Yeah.
lot of people have mentioned this कि हमने ये उनसे ही सीखा है. I mean, and Mr. Timbaji used to say this, what you have said here is very correct. कि मैं जब mail भेजता हूँ and the people are responding back to me saying that they have received this mail.
हाँ,
Okay, sir, I'll come back to you. It's
come
more
back.
like a disrespect. So
Yeah,
don't follow this practice. Even if
dude,
you don't
yeah.
work for Hilton, you work for different companies. Somebody sends you an email, उसको acknowledge तो कर दो, बता तो दो.
Seriously.
रिपोर्ट तो तुम भेजते नहीं हो, रिपोर्ट तो तुम बनाते नहीं हो, है ना?
फिर तुम मुझे बोलते हो कि मैं तुम्हें 3 ईमेल भेज रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं भेजनी पड़ती ना अगर तुम रिप्लाई करते तो. Which I think is so true. Now I'm like, and I follow this so many times in life, and I've seen it with my boss now, because she always says to me, she's like, okay, fine, but just like tell me what date. Just give me a date and I'll do it, and then that date I'll follow up with you. कोई problem नहीं है, but बस बता दिया कर मुझे कि तुझे 1 दिन चाहिए, 4 दिन चाहिए, कितने दिन चाहिए. So, oh my God, so many things like that. And in fact, I think it was very recently that I just randomly messaged him, I think on LinkedIn. So it was nice to just speak to him. But it was, I often think,
He's
I'm बहुत हंसी आती है
fantastic
मुझे.
with his new assignment as a vice president of Chancy Pavilion
Okay.
Hotel. Uh,
That's
so when I
really,
was there in Bangalore, it was, uh, you know, we used to get together a lot.
yeah, that's true.
So me,
Yeah, you
Tiger
were there
Saab,
for a while, no? How many
yeah, I was there for a year. For a year, I was
years?
there. He
Nice.
came, I think we were together for about 6 months. But उसमें भी
हाँ.
हम लोगों ने we make sure that we meet, and although he used to stay almost like 40 kilometers away from my destination,
Oh,
but हम
wow.
मिलते थे वहाँ.
Beach में, अच्छा. Very nice.
Simar sir के साथ में, I mean, there are a lot of HODs, junior staff, managerial level, executive.
Hmm.
They all used to get connected with him very comfortably because his style
Yeah.
of leadership was different.
Yeah,
You know?
and he used to help. Like, I feel like you could just go to him with anything. You know what I mean? Like,
Mm.
even after that, there's few people. I mean, Manish Garg honestly is the same for me. Um, he just, I mean, there are few people that you leave an organization and you're like, okay, I know that like I don't have any formality when I reach out to them if I need
True.
help or if I don't need help, and Hilton gave me that a lot. Hilton gave me a lot of key people that I know today, that I like, for you and me also.
True.
Like today
Absolutely.
we don't talk every day, we're now seeing each other 4 years later, but I know
Correct.
that I can call you and be like, okay, listen, like this is what I'm in, or like this is what's happening, and you can do this. I hope you can do the same with me.
True. True. Absolutely.
um, so I think that's
Okay.
pretty. Hmm.
So another name is one of your dear friend, Parul Singh. So the
Oh,
memory that I recall, uh, your association or your friendship with Parul, other than the professional matters, it
yeah.
was your breakfast session with
Oh
Parul.
my God.
Right after the morning
क्या
meeting, you
याद
go to
दिला दिया
Parul.
आपने, हाय. My
वहाँ बुफे
favorite.
लगा होता था, पराठे, पोहा, सैंडविचेस, है ना?
और अगर मेहरा जी के छोले भटूरे या पूरी आलू आ गए तो फिर तो लाइफ बन जाती थी. माय गॉड, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ गया. गंगा, व्हाट इज दिस? हाय. That was definitely the best thing, and it became more difficult because I had to start going to Gurgaon, and I used to spend like most of my time. By the end of it, I was spending most of my time in Gurgaon because both the properties were there. But hi, मेरे को बहुत ही याद आता है कि मैं एवरी मॉर्निंग मीटिंग के बाद और पारुल एंड आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट लुक एट ईच अदर कि अभी खत्म हो जाए मीटिंग और हम ब्रेकफास्ट तो कर ले.
And the breakfast used to be
Things
so
was
delicious. As a F&B manager, I always had a privilege to go to buffet and grab whatever that you like.
yeah.
लेकिन मैं उसके ऑफिस जाता था क्योंकि उसके पराठे और पोहा बहुत अमेजिंग होता था.
Oh my
और मैं
god,
पारू से पूछता
amazing.
था
और
आवाज.
उसकी इडली और कोकोनट चटनी, oh my god, जो मेरे घर में आज कोकोनट चटनी बनती है वो उसी की रेसिपी है. She used to
अच्छा.
tell me, yes. Oh my god, it was just too yummy. And now she has a
पारू,
beautiful baby. I
yeah. I think
her.
I think I can say it very comfortably on social media. After Tamur, the most cutest baby that I've seen in my life.
Yeah. Oh my God, he's too cute. Matlab, I can't tell now who he looks like more. I think he's like a nice mix, but he's too cute.
So,
Us din
what other memory that you recall apart from breakfast session with Parul? Any particular incident, anything that you want to say? I
all
used to see this. I used
incidents.
to see her sometimes saying Miss NSO when she got into NSO team.
Yeah, oh, of course. I have so many memories with Parul. I mean, I think Parul was the person that I used to go to like with anything. Like it didn't matter. Matlab, bad day, good day, something happening. I mean, she and I have spent so much time together, just like gossiping or being like, "Kya kare, kaise kare." Um, but she was always there. I mean, I can tell you many times, all the things that I'm now recalling is mostly like Parul and I going out, or like if all of us used to go out as a group and Parul just bringing me home. I was like, ये बस 2-4 drink के बाद इसको बस घर लेके जाओ और बस, and that's great. And we have so many memories like that. Hard Rock
There
गए
was
थे.
one which I remember very very sharply right here. जब हम
हाँ.
लोग ओल्ड दिल्ली से एक बार हमारी वो छोले भटूरे की एक ट्रीट थी लंच में, and while we were coming back in Parul's car only, so I was sitting in front and you both were sitting in back. और
हाँ.
पूरे टाइम तुम दोनों सिर्फ एक ही चीज डिस्कस कर रही थी, वो था तुम्हारा बैंकॉक की शॉपिंग. ऑल द टाइम पूरे रात से बैंकॉक
True.
की शॉपिंग, कौन
This
सी
is
जगह पे क्या
so true.
खरीदना है, क्या करना है.
Literally, but I have to tell you, this is not only true for Bangkok but also Europe, because the reason we spoke like a few weeks ago, because she had put up a throwback post where she was in Italy and you can see her like having ice cream or
Yeah,
something and
yeah,
with all
correct,
her bags. And I
correct.
remember that trip so distinctly because she was at Hilton and I remember I was just waiting for her to come back and then I was going for my trip, or I had just come back and she was going. ऐसा ही कुछ था. और हम
Yes.
and the amount of times we've just like wandered into the malls, just like यार वॉक के लिए चलते हैं, देखते हैं कुछ तो मिल जाएगा, सेफोरा चलते हैं, मैक चलते हैं. But really fun times.
There's another person who literally named you as Nagpal. You know, Ankita Nagpal from Ankita Sekri, and that guy is Dharmender Fulara.
Harvinder
So first,
Lara.
first thing, first thing I want to ask you about, first thing I want to ask you about Nagpal, Nagpal ke chole bhature, and
Since
second
that
is
was in
Dharmender
my
Fulana.
introduction, since that was in my introduction, I think I owe your viewers a story about this. Hi, कहाँ से start करूँ?
Nagpal ke chole bhature se.
Nagpal ke chole bhature, number one, are the best chole bhature that anyone will ever eat in their whole entire. उससे बेहतर मुझे कोई छोले भटूरे ना तो लगे. हमने कितने सीताराम के छोले खाए हैं. हमने ये आप ओल्ड दिल्ली की बात कर रहे हो. इसी ट्रिप पे तो हमने वो कमला नेहरू कॉलेज के साथ में खाए थे नहीं.
I say correct,
हमने
correct.
I have had every chole bhature that exists in Delhi. I think I would like to say, and Nagpal is the best. And I have been eating Nagpal for like as long as I can remember, like 15 years or so. Because my Nanu he used to, well, now now first he used to drive to Nagpal and he lives in Panchil, तो वो अमर कॉलोनी जाते थे. और आई थिंक और नानी के घर हम सैटरडे जाते हैं. हर सैटरडे वाज नानी हाउस डे. और नॉट एवरी सैटरडे को नानी यूज्ड टू कुक आल्सो, बट हम एटलीस्ट महीने में 2 या 3 बार ही हम नागपाल के छोले भटूरे खाते थे, एंड दोज आर जस्ट माय फेवरेट. एंड सो ऑब्वियसली व्हेन आई जॉइंड हिल्टन एंड एवरीवन वाज लाइक हाँ खाएंगे हम. सीताराम नहीं, वो क्या था उसका नाम जिससे हम जिसका बड़ा पैकेज, एंड इट वाज गुड बट इट यूज्ड टू कम
It was
फुली
nice. Yeah,
पैकेज.
उससे दबास मंगाते थे उसको. I think सीताराम ही था. मेरे ख्याल मुझे
सीताराम
मुझे
था
जहाँ तक लग
शायद.
रहा है.
मेरे मुंह में इतना पानी आ रहा है ना अभी.
Same here.
Seriously, I'm like, lunch भी नहीं खाया. I'm like, oh my god.
So,
But
another thing that you have to tell audience, where is this Nagpal exists in Delhi?
it exists in Amar Colony where LSR is, but it is called Baba Nagpal Corner. But it is not anyone else except Baba Nagpal Corner, because in Amar Colony there are 2 or 3 chole bhature, out of which 2 are named Nagpal. But he is in the corner and he has a big shop and it's all open and it says Baba Nagpal Corner, and right next to him is a cold drink and a lassi type of shop which also
वो
has
जो
amazing
मूवी हॉल के पीछे था ना, मूवी हॉल के एकदम बैक में.
नहीं नहीं
कौन
नहीं
सा
नहीं,
मूवी?
ऑपोजिट अर्चना के बैक में शायद. अर्चना के बैक में नहीं, वो तो GK2 हो गया. ये तो LSR कॉलेज है ना, उसके बिल्कुल पीछे.
अच्छा, ओके, हाँ हाँ, करेक्ट.
वहां गली में अमर कॉलोनी में. एंड सो आई इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एवरीवन टू नागपाल, ऑल्दो मिस्टर धर्मिंदर फुलारा ओनली यूज्ड टू गेट सीताराम. बिगेस्ट कैरेक्टर, best character that he is.
True.
but he used to say nahi Sitaram, and sober Dabas ji also used to say Sitaram, and I used to be like nahi please नागपाल order करते हैं, नागपाल order करते हैं. और मुझे याद है मैं 2-3 बारी नागपाल order करा है कि please दबास जी आप उसको भेज दो और नागपाल खाते हैं. And so my LinkedIn should also say she's a छोले भटूरे enthusiast आजकल. छोले
I think
भटूरे.
Nagpal should declare you as a brand ambassador of his
They
food
should.
joint.
Please. I think like because Dil Se COVID, I want to say on national media right now that if Nagpal is Mr. Nagpal, तो खैर वो गुजर गए. जो भी उनके बेटे और फैमिली अगर आप सुन रहे हैं तो
देख रहे
please,
हो.
I would love to be your brand ambassador. I will not ask you for anything except a lifetime supply of Nagpal.
Good. Dharmendra Fulara, you correctly
Dharmendra.
mentioned one of the characters, the most enjoyable personality that we had in our team.
Yeah.
और सबसे अच्छी बात बताऊं, सबसे अच्छी बात कह लो या एक बात जो मैं यहाँ पे बोलना चाहता हूँ, जब मॉर्निंग मीटिंग होती थी, मैं बहुत कोशिश करता था कि दो लोगों से मेरा आई कांटेक्ट ना हो. और नॉर्मली वो दोनों मेरे सामने बैठते थे. एक थे मिस्टर धर्मेंद्र फुलारा और दूसरे का नाम है मिस अंकिता सेठी जो इस टाइम मेरे सामने बैठी.
I knew it.
मिस्टर सिमर कुछ ना कुछ सीरियस बात कर रहे हैं और मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि मैं डायरी की तरफ ही देखूं अपने, लेकिन जैसे ही आंखें उठाऊंगा तो सामने से या तो तुम देख रही होती थी या फिर धर्मेंद्र, और स्माइल या हंसी आती थी. मिस्टर सिमरजीत सिंह इन हिज टिपिकल स्टाइल. क्या हुआ?
क्या हो गया? क्या हो
रीचे
गया?
करो.
बताओ क्या हो गया?
तो एम्बैरेसिंग कि बोलूं क्या अब मैं.
बताओ क्या हो गया? कुछ नहीं सर.
Okay, so one more interesting character we had. It was Mr. Mehra Saab.
Oh, Mr. Mehra Saab is the best character. I think I can safely say that Mehra Saab की वजह से मेरा पूरा हिल्टन का जो भी टेन्योर था बहुत ही स्मूथली और मजे के साथ गया है. Because he was just
how will you define his personality? For me, he used to look like a सीधा साधा भोला भाला बच्चा, मतलब क्यूट. But वो कौन सी मूवी थी एक वरुण धवन की, मैं देखता हूँ सीधा स्वामी टाइप का लेकिन हूँ हरामी टाइप का. Tagline used for any hotelier, it has to be for Abhinav Mehra.
I think Abhinav Mehra is one of the greatest salespeople, because Mehra Saab can sell anything to anyone at any time. And that's the one thing I admire most about him. I'm like, यार COVID है, मैं उससे बात कर रही थी. He's like, हाँ, बच्चों को भी भेज दिया मैंने घर, क्योंकि अब तो हॉलिडे लेनी पड़ रही है, बट जा रहे हैं. It's like मैं सेल्स कॉल भी करूँ तो क्या करूँ, बट वो कुछ भी. And he is a charmer. I think that is one thing that's definitely comes out in his personality. He's definitely a charmer. And he is one of the funniest people I have met in my life, with a great taste. मैं जो भी मेरा पंजाबी म्यूजिक का अभी शौक तो नहीं कहूंगी, because काफी लोग हैं मेरी जिंदगी में that like we really like share Punjabi music, but he is definitely one. हमने जितनी गेड़ियां लगाई है ना और पंजाबी म्यूजिक बस मैं बता नहीं सकती.
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर सबसे अमेजिंग था, सबसे अमेजिंग सेंस ऑफ
अमेजिंग. वो कुछ
and
भी
was very spontaneous. Anything, anytime he can say.
Yeah,
create a laugh.
And he was one guy that I have seen कि जो भी जितने भी GM हैं, जितने भी आए हैं गए, he had a way with just everyone. वो it can be NSO, it doesn't have to be NSO. He like Mehra Saab is the life of the party. That is what he is.
Absolutely. Tulika Bhati, what will you say about Tulika Bhati?
Oh, she's so cute. I love her so much. She is just the cutest, most like she was the calm of like, everyone's madness. Oh. And she also used to have her like, कि क्या है ये वो, but she was like it's okay. Okay, it's gonna be fine.
His name, one of my best counterpart, Mr. Rajat Dixit, Chef Rajat Dixit.
Oh yes, of course. The dynamic duo of
the dynamic guy, poor guy. Why? Because हम लोग जब अपना get together करने जाते थे, we all used to pay get some amount for our food and beverages. हमारा अपना packages होता था जिसमें भी
हाँ
नॉर्मली तो हम लोग आपको वो कौन सा बार था जब मिस्टर सिमर बहुत
हम वही
जाते
जाते
थे साथ
थे हाउ एम आई टर्कोइज कॉटेज टीसी
में
टीसी बट
राइट
अब
सो
बाय द वे वो बंद हो गया था आपको पता है तो हम फिर वी नेवर हैड एनी प्लेस टू हैंग आउट बिकॉज़ इट क्लोज्ड
yeah
डाउन इट बिकेम समथिंग एल्स एंड सो वी
so
कुड नेवर
Rajat every time that we are going out for a drink or something like that next day he used to complain यार तुम्हारे साथ जाना बड़ा महंगा पड़ता है 2 फ्रेश लाइन के मुझे उतने ही पैसे देने पड़ते हैं जितना तुम अपना लिकर पैकेज के लिए देते हो
seriously I remember this so well and he says it also like that he's like yeah oh he was
anything that you remember that
yes
he
I will tell
made
you
something that
distinctly
you
something
yeah
that I remember of course he was a gem of a person and like a great chef and I enjoyed working with him again I didn't work with him for too long so it was like not a lot of interaction but you know how I was telling you about Simar sir with Mr. Raja Dikshit is it's one thing that he distinctly I remember told me when he was leaving and he said यार अगर काम होगा ना तो मैं तुझे फोन करूंगा I was like yeah of course anytime and he's like okay fine that's cool right or something like that and he said yaar mujhe na I just can't stand when people like will make small talk with you and then ask you for some work he's like मुझे तो लगता है कि तुम काम है ना तो फोन उठाओ और बोलो कि अच्छा ये काम है मुझे and that's it and I swear that is stuck with me since the day he said it because it is so true I'm like if you have work with me na just tell me I have no problem there is no formality here बता दो मुझे कोई सीन नहीं है और अगर चिट चैट करनी है then I know that that kind of person will also like chit chat with me and be like hi how's it going and anyway COVID life has brought us all together I think at some point
correct
but that is definitely one thing that I distinctly remember and I and it's been with me since then because
wow
he
that's
was a
really
very
amazing
matter of fact guy and I loved that about him he was very like ये हो सकता है ये नहीं